Section number 7 covers question number 11 from 15.4. Given quad EFGH is a rhombus, list the three triangles that are congruent to triangle HXE. B. Explain why angle EFX, GFX are congruent and why angles HGX and FGX are congruent. C. Complete the theorem. Each diagonal of a rhombus, blank. A formal proof for the theorem in item 11 is left as an exercise. So I want you to take the next 5 minutes to answer all of question number 11. Go ahead and pause your video now. I said that triangle HXE is congruent to triangle FXE, which is congruent to triangle HXG, which is congruent to triangle FXG. Then it asks, explain why we know that EFX is congruent to GFX and why we know that HGX, so this angle, is congruent to FGX, this angle. Well, if I know that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, then that means CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Same thing here. I know that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, so these two angles must be equal to each other. With that being said, if I know that two angles off of the big angle F are congruent, then I know that these are a bisector. So my diagonals are not only perpendicular to one another, but they also bisect the opposite angles. On to your next set of questions.